In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Zapier. We'll walk through the exact flow you use inside Slack to find, install, and authorize an app, because that's the same pattern you'll use when connecting services like Zapier. Start by opening your browser and going to app.slack.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace, especially if you're a member of multiple workspaces. Having the right permissions helps too. If you don't have permission to install apps, you may see a prompt to request approval from an admin. Once you're in Slack, look for the More menu. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a three-dot icon or a label in the sidebar. Click that, then choose Tools. From the Tools area, open Apps. This takes you to Slack's App section, where you can browse or search for integrations. Use the search bar and type OneDrive. In this walkthrough, you'll see the OneDrive and SharePoint app appear in the results. Click the OneDrive and SharePoint listing to open its details page. This is a good moment to scan the description and check what the app can do in your workspace. When you're ready, click Install. If your workspace requires approval, you'll be guided through a request. Otherwise, you'll move right into the setup. Next, click Add to Slack. This begins the authorization process and confirms which workspace you're connecting. You may be asked to select channels the app can access or to grant specific permissions. Review the scopes carefully so you understand what the app will be able to see and do. Then click Connect Slack to finalize the link. Keep the page open until you see the confirmation. Closing too early can interrupt the flow. After the connection completes, you should see a confirmation screen and the app may appear in your sidebar or as a bot in your direct messages. If you don't see the install or add to Slack buttons, it could mean the app is already installed or your role doesn't allow installations. In that case, check with a workspace admin or revisit the apps page from Tools to manage existing apps. While we demonstrated the flow with the OneDrive and SharePoint listing, the process is the same for connecting Slack to Zapier. Open apps, search for the Zapier app, then use install, add to Slack, and connect Slack to authorize it. Once connected, you'll be ready to build automations that move information between Slack and your other tools. If anything looks different in your interface, don't worry. Slack updates wording and layout occasionally, but the core steps remain the same.